the faster you quarter, the bigger the thing gets. And, but the main thing I wrote with you for, you know, was catching something. Now I need to be a volunteer. Who'd like to come up and help me out? Come on out here, sir. It'll be fine. What's your name? Come on out here. Tell me where you're from. Pittsburgh, all right. Have you catching Bartlett? Good. You're going to play the part of the runaway bull. Don't worry. Don't run too fast. You'll slip in the gravel, all right? But what I want you to do here, run some circles around me here because these people want to see if I can catch anything. So what you're going to do is take off running when you least expect it. I'm going to catch you some kind of fancy catch, flip you here in the gravel, all right? All right, John. So, I won't flip you. Go around the circle. I don't want to chase you. No, you don't have to go around and do it. You might wake her up over there. Here he goes, folks. Now, wait. John, you're playing in front of the runaway bull. All right, so